Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribe and liking the video. So if you accidentally gonna post a story to your close friends when you wanted it for everyone, it's easy to fix. First of all, go to your profile page and click onto your story in the top left. Then all you need to do is click onto more at the bottom right hand corner. Then you need to go down and find the option for save. Go and click on it. After this, click on save photo. This will save it to your gallery. Now what you want to do is delete your close friend story. Now I'll click on the home page, I'll swipe across, select story at the bottom and select my gallery. I can just select the photo we just saved from our close friend story and post it to your main story. So that's it. That is how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. I really hope you found this very useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.